The Ford Explorer's alarm often goes off due to issues with the door ajar sensor, hood latch sensor, and key fob. The door ajar sensor is a magnetic switch in each door that can malfunction from dirt, misalignment, or electrical shorts, falsely signaling an open door. Similarly, the hood latch sensor detects if the hood is securely closed and can trigger alarms from wear or corrosion. Key fob problems, such as a dead battery or signal interference, can also cause false alarms or prevent disarming. These components send signals to the body control module, or BCM, to indicate if the car is secure. Problems with any of them can trigger the alarm. Many owners of 2011 to 2024 models experience these intermittent issues, particularly in 2020-2022 models due to wiring corrosion or module failures, with about 15 to 20% of owners affected. First, inspect the door ajar sensors for dirt or damage and clean them. WD-40 can help with corroded contacts. Next, check the hood latch sensor for proper alignment and signs of wear. Replacing the latch may be necessary, costing $150 to $400. Ensure your key fob battery is fresh. Key fob batteries typically last 1 to 2 years. Try reprogramming the key fob at a dealership if needed, costing $50 to $150. For newer 2023 Plus Explorers, check for over-the-air OTA software updates that address sensor calibration. For older models, resetting the BCM by cycling the ignition and holding specific buttons might help. If problems persist, consider a professional diagnostic scan. Ford has partnered with independent service providers offering diagnostic scans through their app to identify hardware or software issues. Remember, improper tampering can void warranties, so proceed with caution. Consider a professional to do any repairs, as repair costs can vary. Door sensor fix, $100 to $200, hood latch, $150 to $400, key fob reprogramming, $50 to $150.